beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to turn your yellow teeth into white teeth. Now if you have all of those stuff that is hanging on your teeth, you should know that you don't have a healthy dental. Okay, so sometimes it's good to take care of your teeth at home with a natural homemade remedy that is actually very effective and very simple. But in this remedy, you have to use it once in a week, and it's going to help you so much to your brown teeth white, okay, and make your white teeth whiter. Yeah, so let me walk you through into this video, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share the video, and let's go. Alright guys, so we're going to be needing baking soda, which is also called bicarbonate of soda. Baking soda is a great exfoliator to the skin, and it also helps for the teeth. It helps to brighten up the teeth. It also helps to remove bad breath, and it's also helped to protect the gum. But you have to use it once in a week, okay, because it is really not friendly for the gum when you're using it every day. And then also we're going to be making use of banana. Now in this, we're going to also be needing the banana peel. This actually helps to whiten up the teeth really well. Contains high level of potassium, magnesium, and magnesium. Potato can help remove stain from the teeth. Potato peel helps to clean up our dirty teeth, and it also helps in whitening up the teeth. And then we're going to be making use of coconut oil. Coconut oil attacks the harmful bacteria in your mouth. It can reduce plaque buildup, prevent tooth decay, and fight gum disease. The oil pulling or brushing your teeth with coconut oil can significantly improve oral and dental health. And then we're going to be needing toothpaste, okay? You can use any toothpaste of your choice. So I'm going to be cutting this banana into pieces. And then I would have to get the peel and also get some cuts from the banana. So I'm going to be mashing the banana. Alright, so now I would have to be pressing in the Colgate toothpaste and give this a mix. And then we'll have to be putting in half tablespoon of baking soda. Would also be putting in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and this is it. Okay, it's actually very perfect. Alright guys, so here is it, and this is actually going to help you to whiten up your teeth. Now you have to use this once in a week, okay? Just once in a week, and it's going to also help you to remove dental plaque, dental tartar, dental decay, mouth odor, and all of those things, okay? So you grab it and then you use that to brush your teeth. Okay, can see how my teeth is looking brownish. Alright, now you have to brush and brush, and then you brush the inner part of your teeth. And this way, the upper side, and then the next one is that you have to brush your tongue. Okay, now remember to always brush your tongue while you brush your mouth, because it's actually very, very important. This is actually a very friendly whitening teeth remedy. So I'm gonna wash my teeth. Let's see how it has actually helped me a whole lot in whitening up my teeth. Okay guys, so this is how my teeth looks like. And yeah guys, also if you are having darkness on your lip, you can actually grab this and then you brush your lip with it while you brush your teeth. Okay, so this is how my teeth is looking, and now I will have to be brushing my lip. Okay, this is ideal for you to do every morning, and then you're not going to be having a dark lip no more. Okay, look at how it is on my teeth, and my lip will stay soft and supple all day long. Repeat brushing your teeth with ordinary toothpaste every day. Your lip will stay soft and supple, and repeat this once in a week, and your teeth will stay clean, fresh, and odor free. Yeah. Alright, so that's it guys. You have to brush out all of those stuff, and this would also help you to remove dental plaque, dental tartar, and dental decay, and also bad breath. You know, nobody likes anybody who have bad breath. Okay, when you're always talking to someone and the person is always doing like this, you should know that you have a bad breath. So go try this out. Okay, so that's it. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye guys.